Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2024 MG ZS, stock number 6815. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the current shape. It has an AZ71 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed CVT transmission. This is AZS1 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,